Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so yesterday was a wild ride. We held the 42.5. We went all the way up off of 42.5 and made almost back all the way to the daily pivot within a handle up around 1370. Since then, we have bled lower. We've traded as low as 56.5. We made a move back from 56.5 up to test 64.5, 65, and that move is being taken off. And it looks like we're going to go back down and test today's daily pivot, which is 1359.5. If the bulls can put in a higher low at 1359.5 and then break above 1365, maybe they can head back to challenge the highs. But it looks like, after a day of up, a big down and then a big comeback, it looks like we're probably in for an inside day today. I mean, that's not a real stretch from a technical analysis perspective. I mean, we did 1370 to 1342 yesterday, so an inside day is definitely in order. No big economic news today. A lot of people speaking from the central banks, but no significant economic data to speak of. At this point, the market really now has to decide what it wants to do. It's been up to 1410. It's been down to 1342.5. One of those is the direction that the market really wants to go in. It seems to me, just by looking at the daily chart, that we're going to continue to make lower highs until we eventually go down and retest those 42.5 lows and then make new lows as we head down towards the 200-day exponential moving average on the daily right around 1300. There's just a lot of uncertainty out there right now, and it seems to me that this market wants to sell rallies and steadily trade lower. I think it's going to be more of a two-sided affair. I mean, we've really seen that in the last month, buying dips and selling rips. Whereas before, January, February, March, it was just up. There was maybe a dip to buy, and there were certainly no rips to sell. So we're definitely seeing more two-sided action, which is great for people that trade during the day. Let's do support and resistance. Current trade is 1361 even. So let's on the downside, you've got 1360, 1359.5 right in there, which is your daily pivot. Below that, 1358, 1356, 1353, which is key support, 1347, and then 1342.5. Below that, 1338. On the upside, 1367, then 3-day pivot 1370.33. Then you've got double pivots up at 73.33, the 9 and 20 day. If for some reason we have a big up day today, if we get up to 73, that's a nice place to either exit your longs, put a short on, or do both. Above that, 1376 is the 45-day pivot, and 20-day exponential moving average above that is 1378.85 today. So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader for Mr. Topstep. Trade them well, and I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast.